Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a little trick I just learned about the USB cord in your Tesla Model 3, so if you're interested, stay tuned. So the car actually has a built-in cord like hider behind this rubber piece here, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and take this rubber cover off. And if you'll notice, you'll see that there is a actual cord, organizer pretty much in the Model 3 stock. So you can use your USB cord that comes with the car to go ahead and, put this in. So slide that other piece off to the left and then go ahead and plug in your USB cord. And then go ahead and put it in through the back here. So on the right side, because it's, my USB is plugged into my right my right USB plug. So go ahead and feed that through, and then once you get it through, then go ahead and feed it down. And then what you want to do is go ahead and put the end piece that you plug into your phone into the holder, and then work your way backwards. So put it in there in the curve, and then go ahead and push the slack out, back down behind, and then put in the cord into the little holder here. So you'll notice once you do this, there's still a little bit of slack behind, and that's so you can move that piece up and down. So that's why it's like that. And then that's pretty much it. Go ahead and put the cover back on. So slide it left to right, back into place, and then go ahead and put the rubber piece back on. And so that's how you can see it's sticking out just a little bit so you can plug in your phone. Go ahead and put your rubber piece back in, and that's pretty much it. So here's a little demo of it. So the phone is plugged in. I unplugged it and then pop it back in. And as you can see, the phone is charging. So that's what we're looking for. So if you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.